This is Code.org, and I'm currently working on the Accelerated Intro to CS course. I'm on the lesson The Maze. Let's see. Try to get me to the green intruder using only 3 blocks. Ooh, another one of these challenges. Okay, so we have 1 block out here, and we can only use up to 4, so 3 blocks left. Now, like last time, we can try this. 1, 4, 2, and 3. So now I'm using 4 blocks, but let's see what happens. Oh, ouch. Ouch. Ooh, I hit a wall. And it's always fine to be wrong in code, right? It's just in the computer. Nothing explodes when you're wrong. Your nose might break, or your beak might break, I guess. All right, so I'm going to get rid of that stuff. And we need to turn to the right. Let's test that. Right. There we go. And now what do we need to do? We only have 2 blocks yet left, and we need to move forward 5. So, move forward, turn left, turn right, repeat 5 times. Any code inside of this repeat block, any code that's hugged by this pink thing, is going to happen however many times the number is. So, it's called a loop. It's a repeat block, right? So, we'll turn right, and we're only going to turn right once. But then since the forward is in the pink block, it will go once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. If there was code beneath it, it would continue running and run that code. Let's test. Ta-da! We did it. Awesome.